Have you ever thought about starting your own website but perhaps you're not sure where to begin, or you think you might be missing some important steps? Well, forget the guesswork. In this video, I'll share with you the core essentials to get your WordPress website up and running from scratch. Hey there, I'm Michael from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting provider your platform deserves. So you're ready to build your website? Woohoo! New adventures are exciting. I remember when I started building my own website. Okay, so maybe not so far back. For some, building a website can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are 5 core things you need to get started. So, without further ado, let's get started with the first one. Domain. First up on our essentials list is picking the perfect domain name, which is basically the web address for your site. Similar to your personal address for your home, a web address is an online digital footprint where people find your site. Now, for the name itself, keep it short, sweet, and relevant to your brand. A clever play on words can work wonders. Just don't overdo it. The key is finding that balance between catchy and descriptive, because an awesome domain that's still available is the real unicorn find. When it comes to domains, you've got extension options like .com, .net, and .org. These follow the name that you initially choose on the tail end. I'd stick with .com for maximum authority and search engine credibility. Once you've picked your winner, it's time to register and officially make it yours. Just don't drag your feet or someone else may snag your prime virtual real estate. Hosting. Now that you've got your domain address picked out, it's time to build the actual house. And in website terms, the house is your hosting. Hosting is basically the place where all your website files like your images, content, and data are stored on a physical server. There are different types of hosting like shared, VPS, dedicated, and managed WordPress hosting. The key is finding one that's fast, secure, and can easily scale with your growth. You want hosting that can take your site from a small online shop to a thriving e-commerce empire without breaking a sweat. Because even the most beautiful website design can't mask subpar hosting. So invest in a quality foundation that will stand the test of time and those traffic spikes. So before we continue, allow me to share about our amazing managed WordPress hosting service called Rapyd Cloud. Rapyd is designed for high-performance dynamic websites such as online communities, memberships, e-commerce, and e-learning systems struggling to maintain performance. It offers lightning-fast speeds and security built for enterprise-level scale and traffic. Rapyd also has powerful built-in WordPress tools so you can manage updates, plugins, staging sites, and more right from your dashboard. Plus, we have 24/7 expert support and proactive security measures like DDoS protection and malware scanning. So, if you need managed WordPress hosting that can handle serious traffic while making website management easy, head to rapyd.cloud and get started today. The link will be in the description. WordPress. Installing WordPress is obviously essential since it's the open source CMS that powers your actual website. Typically, you'll get WordPress installed for you automatically with most hosting services. However, the awesome thing about Rapyd Cloud is that once you launch a new server or site, WordPress is already installed and ready to roll. So no need to worry about the technical details of uploading WordPress files or configuring settings. It's handled for you out of the box. SSL certificate. Website security is paramount, which is why an SSL certificate should be high on your priority list. An SSL certificate encrypts the data transmitted between your site and the visitors. You'll know a site has SSL when you see the HTTPS in the URL and a lock icon in the browser bar. It provides critical protection against threats like data theft and keeps your visitors' information secure. Search engines are also prioritizing sites with SSL, so it helps with SEO ranking as well. Any sites without encryption will remain HTTP. Luckily, most hosting providers include SSL certificates with their plans these days. Rapyd Cloud offers free SSL to safeguard all your sites because when it comes to security, you should never have to compromise. Theme. Now that the foundation is set, it's time to pick the look and feel with your WordPress theme. Themes control the design, layout, and core functionality of your site. And there are thousands of free and paid themes to choose from. Go for one that aligns with your brand style and has the features you need built in. A basic blog can use a free theme, but more complex sites may benefit from a premium theme. For building a social network, the BodyBoss theme and platform is a great choice. If you want a blog-focused design, check out Astra or Cadence. Both have beautiful styles and robust blogging tools. Take your time previewing themes to find the perfect fit, because your theme is like the outfit that brings your brand essence to life. There you have it, folks, the essentials for starting a WordPress website. We've covered choosing a domain, hosting, installation, security, and picking a theme. Let me know in the comments if there are any other essential steps you'd add to the list. An honorable mention might have been plugins, but we'll get into that another time. And don't forget to sign up for Rapyd Cloud's managed WordPress hosting if you're ready to get started. We'll be there to help you set up along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides soon. That's all. This is Michael from Rapyd Cloud, signing out.